everyone. Given the function v of t equals square root of 4 minus t is the velocity in meters per second of a particle moving along the x-axis, we're going to determine when the particle is moving right, left, and stopped. Find the particle's displacement for a given time interval. Also find the particle's final position when s of 0 equals 3. Also find the total distance traveled by the particle. All right, so first we're going to determine the particle is moving left, right, and stopped. So it's moving right when v of t is positive. And that just means when 4 minus t is positive. So if you solve this, you're going to get it's positive when t is greater than or equal to 0, but less than 4. Left is when velocity of t is negative. This can't be negative, so it's never left. And it's stopped when we have, stopped when b of t equals 0. And so you just set 4 minus t equals 0, so t is 4. And that's why we didn't put an equal sign under here. It stopped at 4, but it's moving right until you get to 4, then it stops. All right, so now we're going to find the displacement, and since we don't have a left, this one's not as hard as some of the other ones we've done. So the displacement just equals the integral from 0 to 4 of square root of 4 minus t dt. So when you integrate this, you're going to get negative 2/3 4 minus t to the power of 3/2. We evaluate that as from 0 to 4. So when you do that, you're going to get equals negative 2/3 times 0. Then when you plug in 0, you're going to get a negative 8. All right. And this is going to be 2/3 times 8, because you have 2 negatives there. That gives you 16 divided by 3, and that is your particle's displacement. Now your final position is where you add where you're starting from, 3 plus your displacement. So that's going to be 16 divided by 3, and that equals 25. We can just change this 9 divided by 3. So this equals 25 divided by 3. And I think I can squeeze this one in. The distance is the same as the displacement because we don't have to actually do the absolute value on this one. Because remember, it's not moving left. It's always moving right, so it's always positive. So the distance is basically the same as what we just did. 0 to 4, square root of 4 minus t dt, and we got 16 divided by 3. So your total distance equals 16 divided by 3. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.